Hi, this is Istiak. Welcome to my channel Technical Support Online. Today I show you how to install Microsoft SQL Server and basic configuration. So this is a SQL Server ISO file. I mount it and click setup. After clicking setup, the SQL file is open. Now you can see here the tab. Now click installation option and select new SQL Server standard installation. Now the first is the product key show here. This means this license version. If you select above like express or evaluation mode, so I select the license version and step by step. So check the update or you can skip the scan. So you can turn off the firewall if you want, or you can skip it. So select the SQL Server database feature, which feature you need to for your organization or custom installation. I just select for basic option for just for installation. So select and then next, and the default installation file is the C drive. Now the SQL name, you can choose the default name and you can choose your custom name. Now click next. Now the SQL Server agent is manual, selected enable automatic, and SQL browser is automatic, and all of these are automatic. When the SQL Server is open, it automatically start. So I select the grant permission, and this is the SQL Server Windows version and the SA mode. So and the database folder location. So you can change your database folder location from data directories and Windows authentication mode and the mix authentication mode. So I select the mix authentication mode and the SQL Server default user SA password. So you can choose any password and select the current version of the Windows user. Just click add and the default administrator user is added here. Click next and default tabular mode and select the user. Next, and now the all feature which you selected and the customize this is shown in here. You can check it and install. So after clicking the installation, it take 10 to 15 minutes to install if your is upgrade. Now all features are installed successfully. So close it. Now I have installed the SQL Server Management Studio. So I already downloaded it and I just open it for installation. So now it's installed. Click install and it's running for installation. So it takes 10 minutes or 7 minutes. Now you need to restart your system. So I click restart for restart the device. After restarting, I go to the Windows bar and the SQL Server folder location and select the SQL Server configuration and taskbar it and the SQL Server Management Studio, pin it in my task. So I open the SQL Server Management console. I just check the SQL Server is full running or not. So all features are running and start mode is automatic. So all is okay. Now I'm going to the management studio. So click management studio, and the SQL Server management studio is open, and it manual configuration, so it's successfully open. Now I click the Windows authentication mode and connect. So the SQL Server Windows authentication mode is successfully open and successful running. Now if you select the Windows Server name and the properties, you can check here the SQL Server version and the Windows version. So it's in SQL Server standard version and the product is activated. You can check here the another version, the evaluation or the express mode. You can upgrade evaluation to express mode to standard. So now I am select the SQL Server authentication and default user SA and password, which I already set in here. So it also automatically open and successfully open. So you can check here also properties and the SQL Server standard version is on. So this is the process how to install the SQL Server and activated it. Thanks for watching.